Guys, the thunderstorm is starting again. I think.
Let me take the weather real quick. Yeah, we're about to hit heavy rain.
We're about to hit heavy rain.
Guys, we're about to hit heavy rain. I cannot see the rain.
Oh.
You guys cannot see the rain. But it's not heavy raining now.
We're hitting heavy in a second.
Okay, guys. Can you hear it? If you can't, turn it off. About to hit heavy rain.
The rain's starting. I'm getting wet and I'm not looking at my blanket. It's mine.
I thought you said Jackie gave it to you.
Yeah, she gave it to me, so it's mine now.
She gave it to you too.
Huh?
She gave it to you to keep it not for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's gonna thunder. Tell me if you guys just seen it flash. Cause I don't think the picture I pointed it over there. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was gonna do that second.
These guys definitely saw it flash.
Oh, it's heavy raining. You can guys, I think.
Oh,
Oh, turn your volume up, guys, if you can. That was loud.
guys. It felt like this whole room was shaking. I was like,
Oh, that's,
Jordan record.
oof, this is loud. There's no any there's thunder a lot.
I don't think you guys can see the rain.
You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see the rain. Maybe a little.
Just copy what I said.
No. Guys, I think it's about to. It just flashed again. I think.
I feel like it's gonna thunder.
Oh, look at what I can do.
Yeah.
No. Wait, stop. That might go through the door and it might scare someone. John, don't do it. I know, but I just thought about it.
This video was walking in the park or something. Corners.
I'm covered up in my blankie. Blankies. Listen the other way because that's right where it's coming from now.
.75% chance of thunderstorm.
What is it?
And 1 it's a 70% chance.
Like,
We're staying up.
it's probably gonna thunderstorm.
How? Did you hear how loud that was?
No, is it thundering?
It was. It shook the whole balcony a little.
Please don't give me blankets.
I have one on me.
I have one right below me.
Wait, I'm recording. I put that there first.
I'm so glad.
You guys are videoing that?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm just watching TikTok until it actually starts.
I didn't even know it was raining out. It's raining pretty good.
Did you didn't hear the thunder?
I did not.
That was loud.
Wow.
Really?
It shook the whole place.
You see the lightning?
Yeah.
It was bright.
That's awesome.
Right.
Like my heart was beating.
Like
You might hear it.
Yeah,
You
like
might hear
that.
it. You might hear it.
Keep the door open.
Yeah, you might hear it.
Like right now. Like come out here for a little.
2 a.m. 2 a.m. in like Thunder's room.
You guys gonna stay up all night?
Yeah. I am.
Yeah.
It's a 75, I think, percent at
65
one.
at one.
65 at one.
Alright.
Wait, keep the door open. So, oh my God. Do you guys hear it?
Right after she shut the door.
Oh my God. I might scream if it does it loud.
God.
What?
Imagine people are walking outside right now.
Maybe.
Imagine people are walking outside.
They're not.
I think people
Well, they
are
actually.
smoking.
There's a person right there. No, that's a lady. That's a plant.
I'll be back.
Where are you going?
I want a brownie.
Let's go inside.
He wants a brownie.
Yeah.
He's had like 16 brownies so far in like
Not
2
today.
weeks.
Not
In
today.
2 weeks. He had like 16 brownies.
Hold on, guys. I'm going to get a brownie.
He's going to get a brownie. Huh. What? You, why?
Because it's inappropriate.
Okay, then why are you doing it? Mister's going to get a brownie.
Yeah. Brown.
He's going to get a brownie. Oh my God. Little pillow. My little cinnamon roll pillow. This is already 8 minutes. Hmm.
It just flashed.
Oh, straight?
No, it just flashed up. It went like
Oh God, I'm not doing that. There. Should I do that or no?
No, it's not enough.
Only 7%.
What? Did you get a brownie?
No,
Why?
because it's enough for the person that no, I want a brownie.
I'm just gonna set my phone down for a little, guys.
Alright.
I'm talking to this.
I will make my video soon because I gotta charge phone. Bye-bye.
Get
Jordan, what did you say?
What happened to you?
Are you sure it's hard? Because I'm making it right now.
Good night, guys.
You're going to bed?
I'm good.
Oh, good.
I'm just closing my eyes. until something happens.
Me too.
If you don't wake up, I'm spanking your butt.
Of course.
Yours. If you don't wake up when I say Jordan, I'm spanking your butt.
Wow.
Huh? What?
Wow.
Janava is not how you make it.
Wow.
Let me show you.
Aiden,
Calm
I
down.
know how to make it.
No, you did too much bones. Let me have it.
Hold on.
Janava,
Let me see.
it's 4 bones on each side. Let me show you how to do. Oh, it just flashed.
What happened?
It flashed. Hmm.
Here, can we take the one?
Oh,
75% chance I won.
what is it right now? Oh, it's almost one. Oh, there's a cold breeze. Oh, it's thundering.
I like 116 where it's like heavy